This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites because Nearby Share won't work without them. Enable Bluetooth and location on both devices. Those radios handle discovery. Make sure you are signed into your Google account since visibility and transfers can be tied to that. Next, open Quick Settings and toggle Nearby Share on. Pick a visibility option contacts, your devices, or everyone so the other device can see you. Once done, make your device discoverable briefly. This speeds pairing and reduces failed attempts. Now you perform the transfer itself. Select the file or photo and tap Share, then choose Nearby Share. Use the file's app or gallery depending on content. You should see the recipient's device name, make sure it matches the person you expect, and then initiate the send. The other person accepts the incoming prompt. Nearby Share chooses the best transport, Bluetooth, direct Wi-Fi, or WebRTC, automatically, but you can force a method in settings if you need faster speeds or lower battery use. Finish by watching the transfer progress and confirming the file opens on the recipient's device. Files typically go to downloads or the gallery. Verify file integrity and the correct app association. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First toggle Bluetooth and location off and on, then try again. Move devices closer and reduce interference. Also check visibility settings so devices can see each other. If a specific file type won't send, compress it or try a different app to share, then repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.